Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys some new products that I have released in my Etsy shop, Gem City Budgets. I have some beaded paper clips and binder charms or binder dangles, as I like to call them. So yeah, let me get to show you guys this little binder jewelry I have. So first I have some paper clips here. This is my Under the Sea collection where I have a octopus, a dolphin, and a seahorse. I love dolphins, by the way. So those are these three right here. And I can kind of show you guys up close what they look like. I had so much fun making these, of course. And these are on the gold jumbo paper clips here. So they are really big and durable. And next, I am going to show you my kawaii friends here. All right, let's see. I'm gonna try not to say these are so cute because they are all cute. All right, so we have our kawaii friends here. We have the strawberry, the cherry, the pineapple, the avocado, and the watermelon. So this is the strawberry one. This one is the cherries. We have the pineapple with her cute bow. And then we have the avocado, which is my favorite one too, with her bow. That is cute. I wasn't gonna say that this is cute. This is the watermelon, which is these is all great for a summer theme binder. Then we have the Under the Sea Ocean Vacation binder. I mean, you can just make it your own. And I'm going to just show you guys how this looks inside the binder here. So you can just clip it on the pockets here. And it just dangles like that. So a little binder jewelry, as I like to say. That is too cute. That is cute. So that will just dangle in your binder like that, and it lays flat and you still can close your binder. Boom. That is cute. Open it up and be like, hey friend. So those are the paper clips that I have so far. So let me move those out the way. Let's reset. I try to be a little organized, but we talking about tea here. A lot of things can happen. So next we got, I know it is about to be at the end of the school year. I mean, it is coming quickly. So I have just a few teacher appreciation gifts, a cute like thank you, just, you know, just something for them. They can put in their teacher binder or what you call it, teacher planners or something like that, or their keychains. So this one said inspire and this one says teach. And I try to do like a cute little pencil here. Did you see that creativity a little bit? Just a little bit. So it's like a pencil here, and then they have the apple. I just think this is so darn cute. And like I said, this one says teach. And it has the little half apple there. And the little pencil that I tried to create. Yeah. So that is the teacher inspired ones. Next I have, see, what should we go to next? Let's go with the ocean, let's do this one. So this is a whale one. This one is, I think this blues is so cute. Am I in frame? So I believe like this blue is cute to me. I love this blue. Like blue, you know, you should already know blue and purples is like my favorite color. So we have the whale here. And these are glass beads. That is cute with a bow. And they have the lanyard here where, let me show you guys. Let me show you. I'll show you once so you already know. So you can just open your binder. You can put that in there like that. You either can hang it in the front, but I made it where it goes over the binder. So that's why it's called a binder dangle. And it will hang over your binder like that. So, oh, I think that is so cute on this black binder. Girl, stop it. I might have to do a under the sea theme binder. What you guys think? That is cute with that black. Uh-oh. So yeah, so this is a A6 binder, so it definitely will hang over A5 binder. Cute little, oh, that is cute. I just love that on that black. I'm sorry, I just had to get a thumbnail real quick. Because that is cute. Okay, T. I done got inspired myself. All right. Next we have with that same blue theme here. I have this one. It has a bow. It has the starfish. It got a little turtle here and a flower. These blues is really doing something for me. I like that. And then shall I show you over this black binder again? Shall I turn on this side? Let's turn on this side since that one got the rose on it. But look at that. That is cute. Oh, I like that. Yes. All right. Let's keep going because I got a lie. I don't know. I'm just a talking, admiring it. Oh, girl. So next with the turtle theme, thought I had another one. But everything is up on Etsy, so you guys can go check it out. So this one also is kind of like a beach ocean theme. It has the turtle, the sea turtle with some shellfish. Shellfish. Oh my goodness, why I'm drawing a blank. It has the shellfish. What? It's not shellfish, is it? Oh my gosh, why am I drawing a blank? Seashells. Oh my goodness. It has the seashells and everything. And then it has the glass beads. What? I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. I don't know. And next, going with the whole summer theme, we have this one here. And this one has the pineapple on it. And that's cute. It has a little small pineapple here. And like I said, it has the glass beads. It has a pearl bead there. That is stunning. All right. Let's move these over here so I don't knock nothing over. Let's go with a different style of beads. So I have several of them. Let me move this out the way real quick. That has these pigs on it. So like a little piggy bank. So this one doesn't have any words. It's just purple with the pig. This one says month ahead with the pig on there. Little piggy bank. And then this one says sinking funds. And then this one says long term. Those are cute. Let me show you guys on top of here. If you guys can, I just love this pig. These pigs is so cute. And then the sinking funds one. And then month ahead. And then, like I said, this one doesn't have any words on it. And these have glass beads and seed beads. So that is those. All right. Let's get back into some, what is these? These are some strawberry ones. All right, we have these strawberry ones. So I have my strawberry lemonade. This one is strawberry, and this one is strawberry shortcake. And those are these three here. Can you guys see? Should I bring you down some? That probably worked out better, huh, sis? Can you see? I'm learning, guys. I'm learning. That's probably a little better. So yeah, so like this is strawberry lemonade, strawberry and strawberry shortcake. And let me lift you up some. All right. And this is cute for the summertime. Like I said, it would just little binder dangles. It would hang off the side of your binder. Oh. And those have glass beads also. All right. And going on, continuing with the strawberry theme, I have these berry sweet binder dangles. And I have red and pink. Like I said, it says berry sweet. Yeah, I have so much fun like putting these together and just letting the creativity run, you know. And then we have, let's see, you can see how that looks. And then how this one looks. All right. And then the last but not least are my cute bears. Oh my goodness, these teddy bears are so adorable. And I'm thinking about doing two other colors. Thinking about doing a yellow one and a purple one, I think. But for now, I have the pink and the blue. And they just some cute silicone beads here with the bears with the bow. And I have a little flower dress. They have their summer wear on. And look at her with her pink dress. Ready to show out. And let me put this one in a binder so we can see how this one, because this one is like one of my faves too. Uh-oh. All right. And it will hang over like that. Oh, that is too cute. Look at her. You showing out, girl. You showing out. Oh, and that would look so good hanging over the spine of the binder. It don't even have to, hold on, can you guys see? Do I need to lift it up some? It don't even have to be a binder. It could be a notebook, a Bible journal, a prayer journal. I have a prayer journal that I use. A prayer journal. Oh, that is cute. I love that. And it just hangs over like that. That is cute. Okay. I said I wasn't gonna say that word, but I can't help it. So yes, gems. That is everything that I created. More to come. Trust and believe. I think next I'm gonna do some sports themed ones. And yeah. So let me put these all in frame. So if you guys like any of these, check out my Etsy shop. Like I said, they all should be available by the time this video is posted. And thank you to all the gems that had purchased my binder dangles and paper clips, leaving me great reviews. Oh, it warms my heart. Thank you, and thank you. But yeah, like I said, more to come. All binder charms are and paper clips are ready to ship. So they either ship same day or next day. 1 or 2 days, they out of here. So if you need something quick in a hurry, go ahead and purchase, and I will get it out to you as soon as I can. So thank you everyone once again for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember, gems to stay magical. Bye, loves.